My favorite Beach Fest moment was after we didn't have Beach Fest for 2 years because of COVID last year, 2022. Why do you ask? It's because I was twerking on stage at 5 months pregnant.
You down memory lane on a nostalgic trip, man. I want to take you back to the Bay of Plenty, 1 December 2018, the Beach Fest. That was my best Beach Fest ever. Man, the lineup was insane. The DJ lineup, the live performing artists, the people, the tribes, ululation, jubilation, screaming and drinks in the air. It was just, man, we were moving like this, up and down in the rain without any care. Smiles all around. Sound, the party mode. We forgot about all of our problems for just that one moment. Nothing can ever live up to that Beach Fest. And another one must have been in 2019, the last one before we lost the iconic Ricky Rick. He performed in the nude while the rain was pouring down torrents, man. We were rain or no rain, rain or sunshine, we were all together, just happy, partying. We are remaking that moment for this Beach Fest, the 10th annual, 2nd December 2023. Buy your tickets now. Be there or be square. Don't miss out the Beach Fest!
Best moments at Beach Fest have been maningana, but seeing it grow from strength to strength since 2013, ngikala join Gagasi, and it's been AKA all along. I don't know ukuzokwenzala ndise ngasekho, but yeah, AKA has always been the one for me. Wonke ama Beach Fest from 2013. Thank you.